Right, the moment of truth with a cat. We don't have a dog, but it's a very temperamental cat. So let's see if this actually works. All right, I'll go ahead and hold it down here to allow you to sort of peel it up like that. Very nice. And then we're gonna push that, and then it's gonna dribble out. Okay, let's see what happens.
Now it's working.
Oh, it is working. Okay.
Hey, don't do any more.
All right, well, that's kind of surprising. That's amazing. And then, of course, if it does get kind of contaminated, like there's hair in it or grass or slobber or something, you don't have to put it back into the bottle. You can just kind of toss it out. But let's pretend that the water is actually clean and you want to put it back into your water bottle. Go ahead and push that little button like so, and then just tilt it back, and then it all goes back safely into your water bottle.
Wow. I did not know that.
Isn't that amazing? Go ahead and push that button right there, and then that plugs it. That is so darn cool. Now go ahead and put the leaf back down, and you can put it in your backpack, and away you go. Works with cats also.